All right, how's everybody doing? Happy Friday. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie. Melanie I just dropped Melanie off at the front gate. She's hanging out with her mom. Her mom's here from Japan. So what we're gonna do is take a little walk over to the bridge. I want to show you guys some construction that's going on over there. And yeah, we'll just do a little neighborhood walk around. How's that? Oh, look at this little guy. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Oh, that's a little girl. She's cute. Hey. Yeah. So sad. Sorry. I've seen that cute little dog walking around, and I've been tempted to pick her up, but I don't know. We've already got one dog. I don't know if having another one is a good idea. Hello. Oh, check this out, you guys. This is another. This is the sorry that always has ice cream. But look at the roof up there. Isn't that cool? I'm gonna have to ask her sometime. Isn't that cool the way they did that? So they've got a double lot there. And they went up like what looks like it could be 3 stories and put a giant roof up there. It's really neat. And look how it stands out. You can see it throughout the whole neighborhood. Anyway, morning. How you doing? It's another vacant house. Careful, blind corner. Hey guys, morning. Anyway. Morning. Oh, I need to give the kids a new basketball net. I've got one too. Oh man, that's a bummer. We'll have to get the kids to bring the ladder over so we can put a new basketball net on the hoop. I've got one more left. I bought 3 of them. I bought 3 basketball nets when I first moved here. We've gone through 2 of them, so I've got one left. I've already talked to one of the kids, but they haven't. Normally they'll text me and tell me when they've got the ladder. One of the kids, they have a big, you guys that have followed the vlog before, they've got a big ladder that we can put up and I can replace the net for them. So maybe this weekend. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, check this out. Oh, they're not here today. Damn. Bad luck. Anyway, you see that? They've been jacking this concrete barrier away. Boy, they haven't made much progress on it. They started out on top of this thing with handheld jackhammers, and they were jacking this concrete out. And then they brought in a big one on wheels. And, I'm not even sure what this thing is or what purpose it actually serves. But apparently the city has decided they don't need it here anymore, so I don't know if they've given up. You can see it's got a little, it doesn't have much steel in it for such a big structure, but still they haven't gotten very far. And they've worked on this for over a week, but maybe they needed the jackhammer somewhere else and they had to call them off here, you know? I don't know. Anyway, I missed them. I know they were here yesterday. I should have brought the camera down yesterday. But anywho. Now, when I first started visiting Melanie, none of this was here. These homes weren't even here 3 years ago. Those are just small ones, you know. Those are like 70 square meter homes. There's nothing to them, really. Good morning. Boy, they're going to have to repaint our wall pretty soon. It's starting to fade. Look at that. The weather here is so hard on everything. My God. Isn't that sad? Looks like somebody attempted to clean the trash up and maybe some dogs came and got it. I don't know. The sad reality about living here is that, you know, this is what you see almost everywhere you go. If you look around this playground, there's trash everywhere. It's just such a bummer, you know, that the kids that come over here and play even just throw their trash everywhere. Everywhere you look, here you go. Sad reality, guys, but it's the truth. That's, you know, what it's like here. Almost everywhere you go, you see it everywhere. So sad. But, you know, what can you do? Please don't hate me because I'm telling the truth. You know, please don't hate me because I'm showing you what it's really like here. I don't know, a lot of times you got to be very careful because honesty's not always the best policy here in the Philippines. We'll see. Hopefully I don't develop any haters because I showed trash in my neighborhood and what it's really like here. Now this place here, this is the Camella development. You can see they've got this big gate here. And so what's happening is our association is trying to cut a deal with them that when the bridge is flooded, that they'll let us pass through here. They'll let us pass through this way. But, because as you know, the water comes up over the bridge down here. And they're trying to cut a deal to open that gate so that we can all get out from the extension. Because obviously when it's flooded, we can't go anywhere. And so far, we haven't heard back, but hopefully they're able to cut some kind of a deal there, you know. Be nice. It would be nice to have a secondary escape plan. I went in there and tried to film once though, and a guard ran me down and chased me out of there. Good morning. Anyway. Somebody doing some concrete work there. Now there's that roof I was showing you earlier. See how it just really stands out above everything else. I don't know if they've got a giant like videoke party room up there or what the deal is, but it's really cool. And man, it's very, very well made. Lots of steel, really nice roof on the top of it, roofing material. They spent a lot of money on it. Whatever it's for, they spent a lot of money on it. Magandang umaga po. Okay, we're home. That's about it, guys. Short walk around before it starts raining again. Still having quite a bit of rain. Thanks for watching. More later, guys.